friends, வணக்கம். It's been a very long time. ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு because என்னோட previous video பார்த்திருப்பீங்க fish room check பண்ணிருந்தேன். So it was taking very long. The setup is complete, almost complete. It's right behind this door, but enough of the stocks or the species are on the way. So just want to show it when it's completely ready because the main inlet tank is ready also. And there are a few more plenty surprises of few exotics which I will trying to import, so I keep you posted. So that's the reason the katala. So for now enna pannadana, there's another planted tank, so I'm setting up. Just wanted to make it as a display tank for the fish room. So not so serious, I know think pannada. So I'm just thought of doing some random stuff because quite busy. Nijama romba busy ah irukka, time kadikudhu weekly 5 days work ponom kadikudhu rendu weekend, sorry rendu naal weekend. So too much busy. So in a topic pesa porona, few of the plants நான் ஆன்லைன்ல purchase பண்ணிருந்தேன் for this planted tank setup. So அத பத்தி தான் பார்க்க போறோம். So yes, here it is. So this consignment is worth of around 1500 நினைக்கிறேன். 1500 with the courier charges. So actually branded in the seller had put his stickers on this, but I removed it because even I don't know the condition of the plants. How it is submerged to TC culture, so sometimes the review may go bad, so I don't want to put an bad name for the seller because due to a number of factors sometimes yes unexpected things happen. So that's the reason I remove pannirukka brands. By chance the plans are good and outcome is good, definitely enga vaanga purchase panna prices I inform pandren. So for now let us unbox this. And planting satyama in the video la panna mudiyadhu, I mean it will take very long. And if you see the setup, nothing much பெருசா ஒன்றும் பண்ணல, just created an way road way மாதிரி ஒரு கிரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். I mean if you see the stone without any support நிக்க வச்சிருக்கேன், அது எப்போ வித போகுது தெரியுதா. It's almost 6 inches stone, very slim stone. So without any support I made it stand over there and I created a pathway, like pathway மாதிரி பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ADS யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ரெண்டு பக்கமும், and normal chip gravel யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் to create the road effect. So complete இன்னும் செட்டப் ஆகுது. And if you see Riccia options, நான் மேலே வச்சிருக்கேன். I'm already pasted the Riccia moss. So they're quite nicely growing up. So I'm just bringing up the enna sollana, I mean already set up the actual idea, but don't know how it's going to come out. Just trial and error method as usual. So I will keep you posted. I mean the stone pathina edo don't think of any i5 stones edu madha normal. எங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்டு ஒரு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் சைட்டு வேலை செய்கிறாரு, அவர் விசிட் பண்ண போயிருந்தேன். அப்போது அங்கே கிடச்சாரு. I thought it's good shape, so I got it from there. So that's it guys. So let me stop it over here. So let me take you to unboxing. So stay tuned friends. So unbox பண்ணலாம். So behind you can see my logo and that's my branding. அதை கண்டிப்பாக காட்டுவேன். So you have to watch it. Completely packed. ரொம்ப ஆன்லைன் வெப்சைட்ஸ் பிளான்ஸ் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இதுதான் காட்டன் பாக்ஸஸே வரும். இதுதான் பெரிய பெரிய வெப்சைட்ஸை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். And this other doesn't even have a website. Packing was extremely good. So let's see. Wow. I'm always excited to see the plants. So this is junk and repens for 4 pots, and it is 4 pots. Awesome, and I'm excited to open up. I don't know what is this. Maybe water content. I mean, இது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா மாய்ஸ்சர் சஸ்டெயின் பண்ணி தான் வைக்கலாம். இல்லைன்னா சாம்பிள்ஸ் இருக்கலாம். So let us see what is this. Let's examine sample, I guess. I mean before we start. Wow, this is I think Sagittaria subdulata. Wow. Yes, a bunch of Sagittaria subdulata. Dwarf series is a regular Sagittaria. So beautiful, right guys? So I don't remember the order panna, but I think I did it. So let me keep it aside. So one, another is, let's go for chunkers. This is called Juncus repens. It's good. And it's looking very beautiful and very much excited to plant it. Let us keep this. And this is என்ன ஸ்பெல் பண்ணணும்னு தெரியுதோ மினி பட்டர்ஃப்ளைன்னு வாங்க ஆத்ரானைக்கி ரெட் வெரைட்டி ஆக்சுவலி this mini butterfly. So many would know what it is, what I am trying to convey. Short form mini butterfly they call it. So Google பண்ணி பார்த்துங்க. This I think 1 3-4 packs received. So this is 4. This is the Kulux. I mean, this is the one, the moisture sustain pen I can box with. So I mean, it's a very good thing the seller is giving this thing. So it's a good one. Keep it outside and take it out. Okay, great guys. I'm very pretty much excited. It's the 4 pots in this thing. 4, and I don't know whether I ordered this. So I think I did. I mean, panida kandipa or bunch panir mata. I think 3 to 4 bunches panir. I think it's missing. Okay, anyways, fine. That's not an issue. I talk to Cesar later. That's it, guys. So I'm wrapping up the video right here. So let me plant it and then keep you posted in the second video. Until then, bye bye. Wait a second. This looks fine here, I guess. Okay guys, bye bye from your Thor Aquatics. Tata, bye bye, take care.